Goeienaand, good evening, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. Now, I've just had a bit of a Skype session with Patrick and Dwayne, a catch-up. There's some really big things happening on this channel. We're going to be releasing the Loving Life online shop shortly, and there are going to be some really exciting products in there, including t-shirts, mugs, and of course, let's not forget things like hats. And you guys haven't seen this hat of mine, have you? An Irish one. And it comes with a fitting. You can open your bottles with it. Excuse me. Now, getting back to the serious side, with my discussion with Patrick, we chatted about what's happening in Kwazulu Natal, and it is really bad, guys. It is not good at all. I'm going to be putting Patrick's cell phone number down below, and if you can help with blankets or clothing or food or bottled water, please don't hesitate to give Patrick a call, okay? Patrick has written that he was in Durban today. It looks really bad. The bay is full of polluted water. Banks have collapsed and more is flooded. They say 165 millimeters of rain fell in Durban on Monday. That is more than what was experienced in the whole of January alone, and February and March combined. 51 dead so far, and many more are still missing. I did send you some pictures of Margate and other ones, and I'm going to attach the pictures of Margate to this video so you can see them. 200 milliliters of rain fell in Margate. They're expecting more tonight in Durban as well. That is huge amounts of rain. And this is a shout out to Kim, who sent me this article, and it's about what's happening in Durban with the floods. And I'll read to you what it says. The death toll from floods and mudslides that crushed homes in the South African port of Durban has today risen to over 50, with reports of children missing and scores of people displaced, authorities said. Heavy rains have since claimed over 50 lives, Nomusa Dubi Nkobi, a KwaZulu-Natal provincial minister, said in a statement. Among those killed were a 6-month-old baby and a child aged around 10. She added that 10 children are missing in Durban and 42 people have been injured. Now, look, the death toll is going to rise dramatically. And the number of people that are displaced, I mean, this is a ridiculously low figure that they're giving, but this is what they're saying. At least 145 people have been displaced, the government said. A Hindu temple in the city was entirely flooded with water levels of up to 10 meters. 33 feet of water in it. Heavy rains have lashed South Africa in recent days, with the southern and eastern parts of the country badly hit since Easter weekend. Last night, the weather conditions worsened significantly, Dubi Nkubi said. Government said dozens of incidents of collapsed walls and flooded homes were reported throughout the night, as roads were also flooded. Those killed were either crushed to death by mudslides or drowned in floodwaters, Rescue Care spokesman Gareth Jameson told AFP. Search and rescue operations have combed the debris for those who might have been trapped underneath. In addition to collapsed buildings and flooded roads, sewer lines were blocked and electricity pylons had toppled over. South African military personnel have been dispatched to help rescue and evacuate people. Government, political and religious groups have been handing out food parcels to the affected people. The South African Weather Service warned that more heavy rain and gale force winds were expected until Wednesday, which could threaten low-lying bridges and roads. This is just shocking, guys. You know, this on top of everything else that's going on in South Africa is just, it is just so sad. I really don't think Durban will ever be the same again, because this government has got no money. It's all been drained through corruption. How are they going to repair this stuff? It's just so sad. All right, guys, look, here come the photos of Margate, okay, where 200 millimeters of rain fell on Monday alone. Please remember to subscribe to be kept informed, and have a great evening. Bye for now. Just a quick addendum. I will be having a live stream tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. with Dwayne and with Patrick. And we'll be talking about the situation in Durban and prepping and things like that. So please don't forget to be part of that. I'll put the live stream link directly below this video. Cheers, guys.